pizre ahmedang sing roi pausing Assembly session matang kara sangthok khidabu opposition leader oibo binapen phongdokrai Adi Mairi Singh Prakya Haidu Haiba Dabi Tawduna Joint College Student Forum na ngasi ayuk CM gi Bangalore da thomjin krai Ming tabri sing taram nok subulo na paksan no pizre Assembly gi nungzumi phom nominee khak pangthok paga loisin khibabu operation leader oiba hanigi chief minister o ibu bina pen phongdokrai ngasi congress bawna pangthok bawi sing una bada ma makata na haikibada manipur da hauji laibe issue sing asi mamutta na khanana ba congress party na ngarang loisin khiba assembly session asi nominee humni sangdok na ba haikibada ayaba pikidaba se pende framework agreement issue asigi matangda mangna phongdokibada center da UPS sarkar leiringai amadi status da congress na sasan toringai matamda Congress Party na framework agreement ta Manipuri boundary sokpa yaba wafam yohanwi yaroi haina takna duna lakhibani haujiksu Congress Party na Manipur gi ngamkhai gi dama khongpham lengdana leiri framework agreement ta yawiba resolution asi karino khangandana thamliba thong asi yaningde framework agreement ta naga singda special status pibagi wafam amlakliba si karamba status no hangki framework agreement asi matangda miyamna yaba warusinama puraknaba purakpana hena fagani haiki Hani Deputy Chief Minister Gaikam Amadi MLA kaya yauna pangthok paumi sing unabadu da oibo bina makata na haikibada Manipur University gi hauji oriba FIBA masi center na loisin ge haiba mikupta loisin ngamgani framework agreement university gi wathok amadi citizenship amendment bill gi matang da house na khanana ba phangkidaba si pende haiki Congress Party na Manipur miyam gi damakta lepli haiki
Si social media da civil society organization kharanasu parliament gi standing committee north east ki law and order gi affairs na pikhat khiba report haiba tare maduda base tawraga congress ti khangbam thui hanigi home minister P Sidambaram na chairman oibanina khangbam thui haina congress ta da adum panbagi mahongda ama Sumngakpa sum tajaba hanagi home minister su waramba senior su waiba mana chairman uhenbani atopa BJP gi party gi khoi gi Manipur gi Rajya Sabha gi MP su committee tu da dum yauri bani khoi government lai haina ai gi mai pana ain thugaina tautar su madu akhoi di madu gi sabsaba ain du ngakna chatna na ba khotna bada thoning da ba thodok thokhiba gi wani aduna khoi di congress ki stand di Government lagi layu layroi tu Chief Minister toke tu to oi tu akoi government ne ma ada layu do akoi di madu ya ba su ngam ngamoi haidana akoi logi ba stand do adumai tawdna hojik sidal layriba BJP government se sine chu chap chaba stand do lobi u sine ba akoi na haije ningi se
Mairi Singh Prakya Haidu Haiba Dabi Tawduna Joint College Students Forum na ngasi pung nipalom taba matamda CM gi Bangalore thomjin kre maphamol da duty tarama police sing yamna thajada bomong da Mairi Singh na ayukta khongjang sangsilupa duda sangak na kre maphamadu da Imphal West ki SP Jogesendra additional SP Krishna Tombi amadi city OC ingosana singba police officer sing laktuna Mairi Singh lusing sing wari sanake Hauji Manipur University ki vice chancellor ki issue sigi matangda Mairi amadi police ka muknaraga warisin purkad banate Mairi Singh wakhalon kari lai haiba police ki makai digi thamke Mairi Singh makai digi issue sida political gi oiba wafam makhoi khangde makhoi gi haiba bo issue si thuna lusinduna Mairi Singh punsi kan view haibani tungda Mairi losing bakar khangatuna chief minister unana basin ki khongjang sangsin ki ba Mairi Singh adu chief minister Bangalore mamang digi Nupilal complex power tak thoke farong convener vikas na matam sang issue si losindabana college की महिरों सिंह दसो सोबो सेथिंग पिरे सेमेस्टर एग्जाम हाइदोक तबना मखातम तबदा अपन बोय गतोरी महिरों सिंह की खलगा थु मतम द वर्षन प्रो हाइके
Had protest in front of the CM Bangalore due to not declarations of our 6th semester exam. We are very unfortunate that we are students who pursuing a postgraduate, a master. So we need to declare out our exam very soon. It has been more than 50 days that the MU crisis, that the bicentennial crisis is not been solved by the state government and by the union government. This is very unfortunate, and due to that chain reaction, the effect to the students who are pursuing for the postgraduate. So we need to declare out our 6th semester exam as soon as possible so that we can go for study, further study.
CCR Secondary School के complex में रूम लेरिबा अंगोम अपोकपा इबुदो पोरेरोम्बा event दो पिथेल लेमगी संगलेल ngasi Manipur ning thole sim sana jawun hangdokre leba ki amaiba mabe amadi sagai gi mir kya yauna pangthokiba tormaduda ining thole sim sana jawuna mafam asi angom sagai gi hawrpham oramba khakta natana angom salagi sangayung phamni lai khubam asi tungda lakadba mirol kya khangongdaba ngasi gi tormasi pangthopani haike
kangla si ekoina sida leibe khaktan kangla oina ui sumana yek ter ki magi kangla mayam haidi ningthau leijaramba ningthau palamba konung oina mafam se ekoi atei si khala mangre adu ngasi di koi gi laibu phaba haigadra angonggi di ngasi se amuk nahong nong hingale adu leibak miam na su atoba yek salai miam na su laaga masida ibdo purei romeda nibidana leibaki hojik ekoi gi tangdu leita da phiba mayam ama leiba se masi ekoi gi singu lai khoyom lai puna mangna masi ekoi gi solution haiba tare yamna ekoi miwe bana puthokpa ngamdaba aruba ngaktani hoji khoi gi leibak si theknari se adu punamak se mina ngamdaba posa lai na ngami aduna lai na madugumba ekoi gi solution ado pibiraga koi leibak si yam ingna sikna nungai yai phana leibak sta leiminari ba kanglu phur punamak se ekoi wakhal taminana yamna tangdu leitana koi sahot pagi mageda nusina bagi mageda amatoi bagi mageda ngasidagi di ibido ibendo gi sana sangnensi sangabaga iroinana poroko oiresanu
Kudeng thabide lebe tarainthi Subhasam Rifles na ngange achada huk sing tobuda miyoma WY tablet lising taraga konan fare par miyo de thangpau haukif apokpa damsai haukif moregi konom phai village tagini hoji makhata pau kemram laktang ere brem matang amanise
Saraswati Coaching Institute Singmirong Khonangkarak Info. Admission open. Medical regular course NEET UG 2019 starting of class 25th July. Special futures. Supply of the study material from Delhi. Weekly tests strictly in the NEET pattern. Free students receive secure mark for 80% and above. 50% concessions those students who study more than 2 years in medical class. Hurry, limited seat only. We nourish your futures.
I think we should run. At once!
Winky's Swiss roll. Turabo, Punshibu, Winky something to build na.
Baba, Greg John Gidi Tatis College di. Mama Suma Pumping Jamane, Yosumangro Pista Salabrina. And the Sumatata Superlink footing of Mamma Pirisity. That's electric drum news in Bagumna, you got the Shibuya.
Do the Sanagi Mood youngness in Vietnam.
I think they are going to get us. Indeed, indeed. I think they are going to finish us. I think we should run. At once.
Winky's Swiss roll. Turabo, Punshibu, Winky something to build na.
Booking open for office spaces and retail. The key features are retail shop and cafes, exclusive space for offices and the 5th floor, power backup, modern security system, adequate firefighting system, automatic lift, ladies and gents washroom. For further details, please contact the Swan Tower, MG Avenue, Imphal. Contact number 70852-75110. Email us at swantowerarcade@gmail.com.
Nati chat lagi ba? Please ay chat lagi ba? Election iba tuloy ko pati. Ato tumamu unaw pangaro.
Asum tong na mango season at set ko da. Atum hay na Winky's mango Swiss roll. Atum pangaro kangi da na.
Jolip 100% natural syrup. Amasung capsule. Yu thakpadagi oirakpa awaba chaitheng hakjangi liver soklakpadagi uchu sengakta haksang soktharakpa tumba chaba yaraktaba khong hamba nungairataba singbu phanba ngamba amata ngairaba upaidi Jolip syrup amasung capsule. Diabetes singidamakta Jolip capsule chabiu.
A magic mix of chocolate and vanilla marble cakes from Winky's, the cake specialist. Enjoy the tastiest bread in town. Manufactured with the highest quality in the most hygienic bakery in Manipur. White bread from Likla Bakery. now Manipur's favorite bakery.
Nati chat lagi ba? Please ay chat lagi ba? Target kasi yan ang ikrabadi. Ito di ma. Amo ka na unang panglaro. Asum tau na mango season na chat krabada. Adung hai na wingkis mango swiss roll. Adung panglaro. Kangi da na.
Break matung da taran mong sering makata pauseng. Tenopal District Police Headquarters na sinduna miyam ginumi thorom ngarang pangtokre. Thorom da Tenopal gi DC Tombikanta Tenopal District ki SP Dr. S Ibomsa Tenopal Police ki OC John Longkang ADC More M Bankim Namro Bemi sing wena sarwa ke. Thorom da Kunja Singh Maikai digi phondok kibada Tenopal da leiba Post Office branch asi matik saba post office ma ohenba employment exchange sama more da thamba nongwe ki license lobo yahanba amadi Tenopal da residential school ma land view haiba wafam pukhanar ke Tenopal district ki manung da leiba village safe association na Tenopal district manung da vehicle registration transport office sama land view treasury office to thambiu haiba wafam pukhalake. Joint Tribal Student Bodies na kaukiba ngarang euktugi hauna sathakiba sengi banadu miyam yengduna blockade oina sathargini hena khanglakli ngarang ban manungda JTSB gi volunteers sing na labi thimgi tabuk sathaki banaduna kangpok bili sauna akaiba piki JTSB gi wangang loi thangtillan haukifna athu matamda taliba dabi asi warusin manipur sarkar purakadabani hairi
Purgi matangga hausi ki more ki matangne aduga MU ki matangi se in compile with that hausi se khoi na bancha tharabini hausi ki government na damda leibi radi ahena function se changsin ngai su leiri aduna government na thu matamda action lo view hai bise khoi digi appeal ni
lo sila putam ro pausing amu kana pijre Assembly session matam khara sangtok khida bobo opposition leader obu bina pen da phong dokre amadi Bhairo Singh ki parkya haidu haiba dabi tawna joint college student forum na ngaseu CM ki banglo da thumjen khre mekobasi pawu dia estimate pizaba manipur pawu matang slojre mek dabi puno pomu kana kham jare
Lairang lainam oina tin kre lakli basai sat July gi tang kun mari